Hey everybody, welcome back. I've missed you since last week. Hope you're hungry. Today we're gonna do something I call Sloppy Morgans. Kind of like the retro Sloppy Joe recipe, but a little bit different and a little healthier. I'm using a pound of ground meat. It could be anything. It could be beef, pork, chicken, turkey. It could even be those soy crumbles. It all works in this recipe. So whatever you like, you can make it totally vegetarian, you can make it totally meatitarian, whatever you like. So I've got it in a pan and I'm just sauteing. I didn't add any extra oil or anything to the pan because, you know, ground meat normally has some fat that will come out as it sautees. So it's going to be enough. You won't need any extra fat. So a few minutes later, we've got browned meat mixture. I'm adding 2 cups of a frozen vegetable mix that's diced up for soup. This is perfect for this kind of recipe. They're small dices, and it has carrot, onions, and celery and peppers. Delicious addition, makes it healthier, you get some more veggies in your diet. If you're serving this for your kids, they won't even know the difference. So once we've added the veggies to the pan, we're gonna saute them with the ground meat and get all the frosty bits off those veggies. I'm adding 1 can of Mannwich sauce. I mean, this can be any kind of sloppy Joe mix that you might have in your area. This is what we have here. Add that can of sauce to the pan, and then we're going to bring the sauce up to temperature and incorporate it with all the meat and veggies. Doesn't it look good? Man, it brings back memories as a kid. Even though my mother would never make this, I would have it at my friend's house. We're just going to incorporate everything, bring it up to temperature, make sure everything's nice and hot so that you're ready to serve. Here's the finished product, all nicely sauteed and hot, ready to go on some buns. So I've got a couple of burger buns, and I put the Sloppy Morgan sauce on top, and I've added some shredded cheese, so it's almost like a cheeseburger after. Man, they were so good. If you like the recipe, I would love it if you'd subscribe to the channel. The more the merrier. Thanks for stopping by for some more food that warms your soul. See you next time.